Hi, and welcome to another CountyCom One Take video. Today I have one opportunity to show you something really cool. This is the ProTech Ultimate Repair Kit. Ultimate Repair Kit. Well, this actually electronics repair kit. Uh, Electronics nowadays, they don't want us inside. Manufacturers put all kinds of weird screws, snap lock construction. They do not want us in their electronics. They want us to take our electronics, throw them away, and buy new. Well, sometimes you don't want to buy new. Sometimes you want to repair. Sometimes you want to modify. Sometimes you just want to hack it. Well, this is the toolkit that's going to get you in there. First of all, let's talk about how small it is. There's my hand as a good guide. It's roughly 8.5 inches by 7.6 inches, measuring in about 3 inches thick. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. So here it is. Okay, got lots of stuff. Let's start out with this side here. Okay, it is a tool roll. That's the cool thing about it. So I'm going to try to keep it all in this thing here. What is this? Open plastic box? Open that up. I have a ton of bits. There are, for God's sake, there are 64 bits, all kinds of weird stuff. These are 4mm bits. So it's a little small. So this is more of a precision things. We've got everything to get into anything. The torque security, the pentalobe, JIS, tri-point. There's nut drivers, there's squares. There's game bit. They do not want you in your Game Boys. This is how they're going to keep you out. We have triangles, we have spanners, standoff bit for the iPhone. Got that too. It's all there. Oval drive, magnetic pickup tools. It's all here. This is everything you need. But let's talk about it. You saw that the to keep that all in place, there's a lid. Lid comes off. Hey, this is a parts sorting tray. You have all of these little squares to sort parts in. Hey, that's great. So you're not going to lose them. You can put that right there. Keep your project nearby. Oh, this comes off. So you can get this right to the work spot. But then what do we got here? This is a magnetic, it's a stainless steel screwdriver. That won't work. This is a magnetic parts holder. It provides the little bit of magnetism so the parts do not fly away. There's also another little work surface for you. And I will put this bit back where it came from. I'll put it back. I will put it back where it came from. I know it came. There are so many bits now I can't find this one. It came out of here. We'll get it back. Oh, there it is, right there. Excellent. Keep it all organized, and laser engraved the size for each one. You probably aren't going to be able to see it, but it's there. So got wonderful bits. Have a beautiful aluminum handle, driver. Have a flex shaft if you can't quite get in somewhere, and the lid. Magnetic closures, so no hinge to fail or anything down the road. Very, very nice. Okay, moving on. Let's get back to this tool roll. So I have a work surface. That's great. Look at this. Here is. This is the breaking and entering tools. You know what? Slide that out. There is a case opening tool. So it's a dullish knife that you can jam into a case and open up a phone, something along that line. So kind of a cool tool. This is called a spudger. It's for moving wires or things out of the way. It is metallic. It's got its place. And here are two plastic, non-conductive tools for moving wiring, jamming into case openings, getting things to open up. Anytime you're dealing with teeny tiny little screws, clip that back and open that up for you. Anytime you're dealing with tiny little screws, sometimes they're hard to get out of their little holes. So two beautiful tweezers. There's a nice blunt tip tweezer. And here is 45. Whoop, come on. So, nice little sharp 45 so you can pull those tweezers off that circuit board. I'm sorry, pull those screws off the circuit board. Good. I'll check these out. I used these the other day. I've had this kit for a little while. I used these the other day when I had to replace a watch battery on a digital watch. Could not get the battery into place. Well, reverse tweezers, so it locks with no pressure. That's nice. Very robust, great. Non-conductive jaws. So I was able to take the battery, squeeze the battery, not short it out, slide it in. These saved the day and made me look like a hero. So, that's one of the things, when we're doing repairs and stuff, God, our friends and family love us and we're heroes. This tool made me a hero. I would have had sparks and dead batteries and who knows what would have gone wrong. Okay, so we talked a little bit about using the pry bar to open tools. Look at these. They give you these. Yes, these are probably just guitar picks in a beautiful color, but these can be used to pry open electronics. If you've ever pried open electronics, you start at one end and you slide something in, and then you have to go find the next little notch. These hold it open for you and let you advance around the case. Plenty of YouTube videos on taking apart cell phones, things like that. Speaking of taking apart cell phones, do you think, our government agencies are taking apart cell phones? Yes, that's why they're buying this. This is a NASA IT product. The NASA IT department is using this. Lots of three-letter federal agencies are using this for their techs. The purchase orders are coming in. This is the go-to government toolkit, which is awesome. We love that. And 3 pry bars. These were meant for phones, particularly the iPhone. Not a problem. And look at this, a suction cup, so you can be Spider-Man. No, this is for pulling the screen right off of your phone. Please, I should probably be talking. If the legal department was here, they'd be talking about, hey, do things responsibly. For God's sake, don't take stuff apart you're not supposed to. Don't hack elevators. Don't do bad things. But they're not here, so we won't mention that. Okay, here last but not least, ESD or electrostatic discharge. So we need to be grounded if we're working on electronics. We want to be grounded so we don't we don't destroy sensitive electronics. They give you a grounding strap, which is awesome, and it goes right in the case, so you've got it. You don't have an excuse that why you blew something up. You've got that wonderful grounding strap right in there. I'll put that away neatly a little later off camera. You get those opening tools out of the way for you. So again, this all flaps over really nice. Nut drivers and all these unusual specialized bits, they're all here. I hope this video kind of made things clear for you, and all snaps together, comes apart. It's metal base, so that makes that stick. This is the ultimate pro repair kit. So hope you like this. Hope I covered everything. Just a full set of tools, everything you need to get into places you're not supposed to. Hope you like the video. Until next time, be alert, stay safe.